Hello and welcome to another video. So more than 300 miles ago I've cleaned the EGR and the throttle body of this 1.9 PD engine. So now we are gonna have a look at them and see how they look like after this amount of driven miles. So first of all I'm gonna remove the battery positive, and then I'm gonna remove, actually I can do this right now. Okay, and I'm gonna remove the throttle body and the EGR. We're gonna have a look at them. Also I'm thinking about using the Mr. Muscle to clean the turbo. So this is the EGR valve. This is how it looks after about 300 miles. And this is the throttle body. Doesn't look that dirty. It has a bit of oil and some carbon deposit. I will clean it again. And this is the last screw of the intake manifold. I'm using my phone selfie camera to see where they are positioned. Unfortunately, I had this idea like 5 minutes ago and I removed the previous screw and this one, but the rest of them I was struggling to find them. Finally, after a few hours of work, I managed to remove the intake manifold. So you can see the goo, the carbon deposit inside it. It's not that bad, but I want to clean it. Now I've sprayed some Mr. Muscle oven cleaner foam in the intake manifold and some heavy duty degreaser from Screwfix, plus another substance, all at the same time. And as you can see, the carbon deposits are coming out. So because I have everything removed here, I will spray some Mr. Muscle in the turbo. That will allow my VNT valve to move, because I think it has some problems moving. Probably there is some soot in there. And so to spray the Mr. Muscle oven cleaner, I put a towel here to prevent the foam touching other bits, because this thing can be nasty. I have this from the WD-40, and I have here the Mr. Muscle oven cleaner. While that's in there, I'm just gonna move the VNT valve. I'm gonna leave that in there for about 2 hours. So every 10 to 15 minutes you want to move the VNT valve. Maybe spray a bit of foam every half an hour. Now, while waiting for the foam to do its job, I'm gonna mount the intake manifold, which I've cleaned. Still has a bit of soot inside, but it's not as clean as I hoped to be, but it's definitely cleaner than it used to be. So I have here a new gasket plus the anti-seize copper, which I'm gonna put on the screws to prevent them seizing. I'm almost done. I had some screws that were making me lots of problems, so I want to change the air filter, and I will change the fuel filter as well, and in the morning I'm gonna change the oil filter and the oil. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you guys like it and find it useful, maybe learn something from it, and stay tuned, because in the future I will upgrade the instrument cluster to this one. It's not the VRS, but it has Maxidot. So don't forget to like my video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you're not. Until next time, take care.